Good morning, students. This is a reading skill, the measure. Once there was a very rich man. Once there was a very rich man. He was a miser. He ate cheap food and spent very little money. He ate cheap food and spent very little money. He lent money to small shopkeepers at a high rate of interest. In this way, he earned a lot of money. In this way, he earned a lot of money. Here, measure means a person who hoards wealth and spends a little money as possible. A person who hoards wealth and spend a little money as possible is called measure. Once there was a very rich man. Once there was a very rich man. Rich opposite poor. Rich, poor. He was a measure. He ate cheap food and spent very little money. He ate street foods. He inquired where the food is very cheap, and he went to there and take his food. He lent money to small shopkeepers. He gave money for interest, very high interest. And every day he take one bag and gathered his money. He round the shops and take his money. At a high rate of interest, he earned lot of money. Every morning he went out to see the shopkeepers and came home at midday. Every morning he went out to see the shopkeepers and came home at midday. The miser had a watchman to look after his house. The watchman lived in a hut near the gate. The miser had big house. No one there in his house. Only one watchman and his wife. At the starting of his house, they lived in a small hut. Entrance of the miser's house. Every morning, the miser went to collect his money. He come back to his house in midday. The watchman lived in a hut near the gate. At the entrance of the gate, the watchman and his wife lived, and they prepared their food. He liked fish, and his wife cooked it for him every day. The watchman likes to eat fish, so his wife prepared food for him. Daily they cooked fish every day. The watchman told his wife, cook the fish before midday. Cook the fish before midday. Our master opposite servant. Our master will be out then. He doesn't eat meat or fish, and he will not like the smell of fish. Watchman says to his wife, cook the fish before midday. Our master will be out then. He doesn't like to eat meat or fish, and he will not like the smell of fish. So they prepared food before their owner come to the house. One day the master came home early. Early opposite late. One day the master came home early. He walked past the watchman's hut and caught the smell of fish. Already I say the watchman's wife cooked daily fish curry. Before his owner came, they eat and clean the dishes, clean the pot. One day, owner come early, not in midday. He come early. One day the master came early, come home early. He walked past the watchman's hut and caught the smell of fish. It was a nice smell and he liked it very much. That afternoon he called the watchman and asked him, "What were you cooking today? What were you cooking today?" The watchman said quickly, "I won't do it again, sir. Please forgive me." The watchman afraid. Then he say, "Excuse me, sir. We never do that type of, never do again and again." He says to his owner, his master. That afternoon he called the watchman and asked him, "What were you cooking? What were you cooking today?" The watchman said what he said. "I won't do it again, sir. Please forgive me. Excuse me." And asked. The miser said, "Don't be afraid. I am not angry. What was your wife cooking? Please tell me." The miser said, "Don't be afraid. I am not angry. What was your wife cooking today? Please tell me." The watchman said, "We were cooking fish." The watchman said, "We were cooking fish." The miser said, "Please cook it every day. I like the smell very much." The master says, You cook fish daily. I like the smell of fish." The watchman and his wife thought, "Our master is mad, but they cooked fish every day." After a month, one evening, the watchman and his wife came to see their master. After 1 month, one evening, the watchman and his wife came to see their master. "Sir, you like the smell of fish?" The watchman said to his master. "So we cooking it every day. But fish is not cheap. It is very expensive. It cost us a lot of money. I earn only 30 rupees a month. You ordered us to cook fish even thought we cannot afford it. So please give us money for the fish." The miser thought for a while. Then he said, "Oh, all right. Wait here." I went into his room and shut the door behind him. He took out some silver coins from a bag. He dropped them one by one on the floor. The watchman and his wife heard the tinkling of the coins and were very happy. They think the master gave them, but the master sound the coins. He is going to give us all the money. He is going to give us all the money. After some time, their master came out, sat down on a chair. He then asked the watchman and his wife, Did you hear the tinkling of the coins? Yes, sir, we did, said the watchman. Did you enjoy it? Asked the master. Yes, sir, said the watchman and his wife. The Major said, Then Major said, All right, I enjoy the smell of your fish and you enjoyed the sound of my coins. I didn't ask for your fish, so didn't ask you me for my money. Now go away.